You're 18 years old, you're just starting out, you have no clear direction, no real plan. Everybody's asking you, what do you want to do with your life? And if you're honest, you have no clue. And on top of that, you're worried you're going to make the wrong decisions. You're going to waste years and you're going to wake up at 30 full of regret. If that's you, or even if you're a little bit older, but you feel that you're behind, let me tell you, this video is for you because today I'm going to give you 5 steps that I would take if I could go back to age 18. And let me tell you guys, number 5, that's the one that can fast track your way to real wealth. But before we jump in, I want you to drop a comment below. What's one lifestyle hack that you think helps people build wealth? I'll read those and I might feature yours in the next video. All right, let's get into it. So, step number 1 is live at home as long as you can and stack money. I know it's not glamorous. Social media, it makes it seem like you need your own apartment at 18 and you need brand new furniture, the whole aesthetic life. But here's the truth, guys. Moving out too early is one of the fastest ways to stay broke. If you can live at home for 2 to 3 years, you are saving thousands on rent, utilities, groceries, and that money, that's your launch pad. Instead of paying a landlord, you're paying your future self. Now, listen, don't just live at home and waste it. You got to have a purpose. You want to save aggressively. You want to build a small emergency fund. Start investing early. This is your foundation phase, okay? Number 2, never finance a car. You'd buy it with cash. This one right here, it messes people up for years. You've got an 18-year-old driving a $30,000 car with a $500 to $700 monthly payment for something that's losing value every single day. That is not wealth. That's a trap. Instead, buy something reliable, nothing flashy, because every dollar you're not putting into a car payment is a dollar that you can invest. And here's the mindset shift. Rich people don't look rich early. They move different behind the scenes. You can look broke now or be broke later. It's your choice. Step number 3, start building your credit, but do it smart, okay? You need credit. Let's just be real. You're going to need credit for buying a house. You're going to need credit for getting better interest rates, for financial flexibility. So, yes, get a credit card, but here's the rule that most people ignore. If you can't pay it off immediately, don't swipe it. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Use it for things like gas, groceries, small recurring bills, and pay it off in full every single month. Not the minimum payments, guys. Not I'll catch it up later. That's how people get stuck, okay? Credit should work for you, not the other way around. Step number 4, you want to start investing ASAP. Not when you figure things out, not when you make more money. You need to do it now because time is more powerful than money. Let me say that again. Time is more powerful than money. Even small amounts, $50, $100 a month, it adds up over time. That's how compounding works. Most people, they wait too long because they think, I just don't have enough to start. But the real mistake is not starting at all. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be consistent, okay? Number 5, and this, let me tell you guys, is the big one. Buy a house or a duplex and have other people pay your mortgage. This right here is the cheat code. Imagine this. You buy a duplex, you live in one side, you rent the other side out, or you buy a house and you rent out the extra rooms. Now, instead of you paying the mortgage, guess what? Your tenants are. That means your housing cost drops, or it might even disappear. You're building equity, you're owning an asset. This is how people quietly build wealth. It's not overnight, but it's consistently. And this one move can put you years ahead of everyone else your age. Look, if I could go back to 18, these are the exact steps that I would take. Not flashy, nothing complicated, but extremely effective. So if you actually follow these, you won't just get by, you'll actually be ahead. So if this helps you, do me a favor. I want you to like the video, subscribe for more content like this. And if you want help getting started, I want you to just click the link below. Schedule a free 30-minute call with me, and I'm going to help you map out your next steps, okay? And if you want to avoid some painful lessons, I want you to watch this next video right here. And it's 5 money mistakes you're probably already making. Well, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.